it's Isabella, and this might be a short video, but I don't have a lot of stuff to let me do this because I have been using all my storage. Because I want you to see the slime. So I'm going to be doing slime. So I have to go really, really fast because like at 4 and 5 minutes it'll stop. So this is my sticky blue slime that I made. It does not glow in the dark. Don't judge this. It does not glow in the dark. Because this is like a newer slime that I made. And it's very sticky. But we're going to be putting it on the floor. It does rip. So yeah. It's not the best slime I've ever made. And it does dye your hands blue. See? So yeah. Let's see if we can do a bubble. That doesn't work. Kinda. But I'm not gonna throw this slime too long because I'm gonna go to my favorite slime. This is like my last favorite slime. It rips. And like when you try to add, that's just look at my hands. I look like an alien that came from Neptune because Neptune's blue. This is my favorite slime. It's like, it was teal, but then I played with it. I used the slime first, and it just did not mix very well. So it's like this dark blue. This is my favorite slime. I just love playing with it. It's like still needs some activator. But do I care? No. This one makes really good bubbles. That was not a good bubble. I just said this one makes really good bubbles. But it's so fresh. I just love it. It is sticky. It's not. It's. So yeah. And it doesn't get all over your hands. Well, it does get on your hands, but it doesn't dye them colors. It does not have a poke. So, okay. But I think we are going to see. I have not made a video of these slimes. So let's just. We are going to see how it does to do 2 slimes. I can only do this video for at least 1 more minute. So. Oh no. But this slime is so dirty. But if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Become a member of Isabella with Nature. Because blue comes from nature and all this stuff in slime does. And also hit the notification bell so you know when I post my videos. Because I don't post them a lot. But I will start, if I get a lot of likes, I will start posting more slime videos, I think. And hopefully I'll delete some of the videos that I don't want so I have enough storage. So I can film for y'all. Like this. I want to film for y'all. So guys, if this video ends, that's what I wanted to say. Subscribe and stuff. And also, end on a high note today. Comment down below, what is your favorite type of slime? Mine is either fluffy or butter. Or cloud. I love cloud slime. Because I have a cloud slime that I did not bring. Why did I not bring my cloud slime? And I just got my hands fully dyed. Look, guys. Okay, that was not good. No! I have to like check the time, guys, but if you can't see me, I will get on my knees. Hey, this does not get everywhere. You are able to clean it off if you try to make this slime. It's like the food dye with this clear slime. It is clear slime if you did not know. But like adding all that food dye, I did not like it. It did not like it. It just didn't. But of course, it's been 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. But what I'm saying is, if you like my videos, then subscribe. I feel like someone's like following me every second. Is that crazy? Following you every second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you a good intro of my favorites. Don't you love it? If you like that, comment down below. I love slime. We're gonna see how good slime falls. I haven't tried this right. Okay, so let's try. I want to try. I really don't want it. Okay, this is like very jiggly. It's still sticky that it doesn't want to do it. But if you want me to do longer videos, I will delete some pictures and videos that I don't want, that I won't post. That was so let's try this. That was bad.
Where's Gabriel?
Wait, I'm posting. Okay, guys, let's see. I just wanted to make a big bubble. Okay, so if you don't like me playing with slime, comment down below, don't play with slime, and I'll do gymnastics. But I will cover you with slime there. See? I just covered my whole. I got something in it. You're freaking me. Look, I got like a piece of something in it. That was not cool. Thanks a lot. I think that's like a piece of cereal. Okay, so guys, I will be back. Hopefully the video won't end. But yeah. I just really hope you like this video. And if you want me to do more slime videos, it's just like, I don't care. That means that we have to sleep the whole night until okay, sorry I moved the subject. The subject is called slime, and then I'm like doing something random. But let's get my lotion, see if we can add it. I don't have any left. But these are toothbrushes. Oh, I'm not gonna show that. But yeah, if you like this video, comment down below. I like this video. And if you comment down below which one's your favorite slime, my light blue slime or my dark blue slime, y'all can comment down below and I will like your comments if you say which one. And if you subscribe, comment down below done or slime squad. And that's basically, that should be slime squad. My squad, every time you want to do it, either put done or slime squad, and I will like that comment. And yeah, and also hit the notification bell so you know how to post my videos, because I post a lot now. I'm like posting every day. So yeah, bye guys.